Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love sharing subscription boxes and bags, and today I got my Ipsy Glam Bag, so I'm going to go ahead and show it and share it with you. So let's get started. Okay, I'm at that time of, it's that time of the month where I start getting all my subscription bags in, and so I have a lot to share. And so this month, the Glam Bag, this is what it looks like. Sometimes I get more excited about the bags than I do what's in them a lot of times. I just think their bags are so cute. This one's a really well-made bag. You can see it has the glam on it. It's kind of a pretty purple pink color. I like the green with it. It's got the green a zipper pull. So this was a fun box. In it comes, because it's August, I guess I talk about the Beauty Olympics and the Glam Bag. It does share what's inside in here. So that's a nice thing. They don't always, but they do sometimes. Anyway, so I go to the site, so I usually know what I'm getting. I'm going to be honest with you, this month I was not really excited about what I got, and I wasn't excited when I had choice. I think I might have been a little bit late. I usually pick a eyeshadow palette if they have it, but this one, so I'm going to show that first. This is from Beauty Vault, and it's a royal palette, and it's, I think the value on the website said it was like valued at 20 something. I don't see the value in it, that value, but it's just, it's decent colors. I mean, it's just, if you like neutral, there we go. It's not one I will use because I have too many palettes to go to, but I think this would be a great giveaway item. For someone who doesn't have as much makeup, this would be a nice little neutral palette. So that's my first item. And this next item I'm pulling out is, let's see what this is. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to use my glasses here, guys. This is Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream from, it's Korres K-O-R-R-E-S Beauty. It's a Greek yogurt. It's a light and a gel cream. Let's see. It packs a hydrating punch, nourishing thirsty skin with time release moisture. That's different. I haven't heard of the time release moisture. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. But anyway, so that's my second product. My third product I'm pulling out here, again, I'm going to need my glasses because these are so tiny. This is from Dallas and James, and it is Watermelon Dream All-in-One Eye Cream. So it's small, but with eye cream that packs a punch. It looks like a really nice product. Obviously it's just probably a sample size, but anyway, not bad for an eye product. I don't get super excited about eye creams because I have so many and I have my favorites that I like to use. So anyway, whatever. The next thing is another tube. This is something that kind of bums me out. I don't like stuff in tubes in this as much. I want like either an eyeshadow brush or a lip product or makeup I mean, I do like one or two skin cares or a hand cream, but I don't know. 3 tubes is too much for me with 5 items. Just saying. These are youth drops from One Kind, and I don't know what they're youth drops. It's probably a serum of some kind. Wake up to brighter, smoother, and more even looking skin with this overnight serum. So it's an overnight serum. Again, probably not something I'm going to use. Maybe I would take it to travel, possibly, but I have a lot of overnight stuff right now. But I don't know, you might be surprised. Sometimes you try these things and you end up loving them. So I did get a lip product, the last product, although tiny. It is, let's see, this is Finding Ferdinand. It's a gloss color in Thorn. So it's a really, it looks like a nice color. This is packaged up really good in plastic all the way. So I don't really want to take it off in case I do put this in a giveaway. It is my color. I haven't really heard of this brand, but it looks decent. So anyway, so I got the lip color, the eye cream, the hand cream, the youth drops, overnight drops, and the eyeshadow palette. So those are my 5 items, all in this cute little glam bag. The glam bag's my favorite thing. I actually love the bags, most of them. And I think they're getting better. This year has been the best year yet as far as glam bags. Let me know if you agree with me. I just know I've gone crazy over the bags in the last few months. So anyway, there's that. I still like it. I still enjoy getting this, but it's kind of, this month wasn't super exciting for me. But anyway, let me know what you think, and I appreciate you guys being here. Talking about the bags, I just have a story. I'm just had my bathroom, my master bath and closet remodeled, and so we're putting things back in. It's still kind of a disaster, but I had probably over 100 of these in a box, like just because I've been getting this for so many years. So anyway, I laughed with my husband. I said, but they're cute, and I like to put them in my purse sometimes and like to pick out the right ones and stuff. But I said, I'll get rid of them. So I went ahead and got rid of half of them, but I still have a bunch of them, and I do use them. I like to take one and put it, you know, in my purse. And so sometimes it's fun to change them up. But anyway, I do use my glam bags. So, and I also like to give giveaways in them, and to friends, I'll take a glam bag, you know, one of the Ipsy bags, and I'll just put a few items in it and give it to friends. So I make use of them. Even I go crazy over them, and I also make good use of them. So anyway, there we go. That was this month's Ipsy Glam Bag. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate your support, and so thank you so much. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, bye-bye.